Our project is called Ants by Braden, Colton, Jared, Alex, and Gary. Something in nature that is admirable is ants' ability to communicate and coordinate what they are doing and being effective at carrying out tasks because of it. If we could somehow implement this into our cars and other means of transportation, we could have seamlessly easy travel and be more time efficient.
For this project, we selected Braden's Ant Biology to Challenge submission to find a better way for vehicles to deliver packages faster. Our idea is a computer AI system that goes into vehicles and links with a central hub and other vehicles in order to find the fastest routes and avoid collision with other vehicles on the road.
In order to create a design based on this principle, creating an automated delivery system, we would need the following: processing units able to connect to a server, a central server hub to control each of the devices, and a supply chain system to produce and deliver all of the components. We would then go about installing these chips to allow the AI to communicate between the vehicles, to decide the best routes for delivery and transit, to ensure safety, and a learning algorithm to improve with each run.
By implementing biomimetic design, we can harvest biodegradable components to sustain the finished product for the design period it's supposed to last. A key example of this is the utilization of a methane-based plastic to create a more ecological approach. The waste is food principle applies here, as the device is using a nutrient, and as it's been used and depleted, it can be safely returned to the earth. Electronics can be designed using technology created at the University of Illinois, which integrates a dissolvable electronic system to make this model even more cradle-to-cradle. The integration of this technology should, in theory, lessen the carbon footprint as emissions are cut by streamlined routing and calculated displacement. The cradle-to-cradle concept of the use of renewable energy is clearly seen here.
We can make our coordinating AI mostly out of metals or CO2-based plastics, which can be reused and repurposed after it has reached the end of its life cycle in the car. The goal is to reduce the amount of non-biodegradable waste that we produce with our product by incorporating eco-friendly, sustainable materials, while also helping taper some of the waste that is already in the world. In the case of components which can't be properly degraded, we can seek a means of reusing said components in order to further their life cycle.